Thursday, October 27th, 2022. Had a long night. I'm sore from yesterday's workout, but I'm wondering what the day will bring. Welcome to my day in the life with the Google Pixel 7.
Back home again. Back home again. Ah. Back home again. Back home again. Back home again. Ah. Back home again. For summer. Back home again. Back home again. Back home again. Ah. Back home again. Back home again. Back home again. Ah. Back home again. For summer. Back home again. Back home again. Ah. Summer's gone now.
Here's up, you guys. It's not seeing
That
here.
summer
Welcome to my
song.
day in the life with the Pixel 7. Now, what I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys how the Pixel 7 holds up with moderate to heavy use. So I'm going to be doing things like playing games, taking pictures, recording video, and everything else that the average person would do on their phone. And also, if you guys do enjoy this video, let me know what phone you want me to do next, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, today is a very chill yet productive day. The first thing that I want to do is get my car washed. Then after that, I want to go to the gym and work out, and after that, I want to go get something to eat. And last but not least, I want to go home and get some work done. And before I take you guys on this journey with me, the first thing that we have to do is take some quick pics. So now that I was able to get my morning routine out of the way, I was able to leave the house so that I could be able to make it to the car wash. And while I was waiting in the elevator, I decided to check my phone, and right now it's 11:50 a.m. and I have 96% battery left, which was a pretty good way to start the day. I had a full tank of gas, was full of energy, and was ready to get my day going. Also, the car wash was literally around the corner, so I didn't really need to use the GPS. Now I got to the car wash at 12:12 p.m. and my battery is at 92%, which means that I lost 4% worth of battery, and I want to see what my battery will look like after I record my wash using my Pixel 7. Alright you guys, I'm finally done vacuuming my car, and basically this is like a deep car wash, so I'm really trying to get every little crease, so it did take a little longer. But right now I'm gonna just go through the drive-through car wash, and I'm gonna show you guys some video. Now I got done at the car wash around 1:26 p.m. and my battery is at 74%, meaning I lost 18%. And mind you, I recorded a lot of footage of me washing my car, so take that into consideration. Now the next place that I'm going to is the gym, and it's a 12-minute drive, so we're going to see how much strain it puts on the battery. Now I got to the gym at 1:56 p.m. and my battery is at 66%, which means that I lost 12% since I left the car wash. Alright you guys, so now I'm here at the gym, and basically what I'm going to be doing is playing music and recording video, also taking pictures to see how much strain all of this stuff does on the battery. And I'm not going to waste you guys time, so let's get right to it.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a...
Now I decided to take a break after my workout and check my phone. The battery is at 43% and the time is 3:42 p.m. So hopefully the Pixel 7 can last me till the end of the day. Now I got back to the car at 3:56 p.m. and my battery is at 42%, and I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna go to Chipotle, and that's about 4 minutes away, which shouldn't put harm on the battery at all. Alright you guys, so now I'm out of the gym and now it's time to go get something to eat. Now I'm not gonna lie, the fact that we're at 42%, it isn't horrible, but it's okay. But again, I really do want to see if I can last at least till 9 o'clock with this phone. But it's 4 o'clock right now and I'm not gonna waste any more battery, so let's get right to it. Now once I got to Chipotle, I checked my battery and it was at 38% and it was 4:17 p.m. meaning I lost 4% since my last check. And once I got my food and sat down, I went on Twitter and Instagram to rack up some more on-screen time, and I even watched some videos for entertainment while I ate. once I was finished at Chipotle, I got back to the car at 5:27 p.m. and my battery's at 25%, meaning that I lost 13% battery, and I want to head back home, which is a 12-minute drive, so we'll see what the battery looks like when I get there. Alright you guys, again, I'm about to head back and we're gonna go home and get some work done. Now, honestly, again, the true test, I really want to see if it can reach, you know, towards 9 p.m. But I'm not trying to like shed the battery too much, so let's hurry up and get home. Now I got back to the house at 5:53 p.m. and my battery is at 19%, which means that I can still get some good use out of my phone. Alright you guys, I'm back home now, about to go upstairs, you know, get some work done. And the battery being on 19%, it definitely ain't last until 9 p.m. I know that. But I want to see if it can last at least till 8. So that's 2 more hours, 19%. Let's go. Once I got to the house, I decided to write a script for one of my sponsored videos, and the battery is at 17% while the time is at 6:06 p.m. and we're gonna see what the battery will look like when I'm done. Now my final time is at 6:50 p.m. and my battery percentage is at 8%, which means that the Pixel 7 will be able to last you all day, but it's best to keep a portable charger on you just in case you might need it for some extra time. And my final on-screen time is 4 hours and 3 minutes, which is okay and can last longer if you're not using power heavy apps. And alright you guys, thank you for spending the day with me as I tested out the Pixel 7. I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting better results, but Pixel 7, it isn't that bad. Now let me know down in the comments, do you guys think that the Pixel 7's battery is bad? Let me know. And also, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.